Hi, this is Twins Dad 6666. We're doing a Lego review on the Lego Bilbo Baggins house. Here's the box. I like how the box is really cool. And then here's the back. Wait, it shows the minifigures right here and here. And here's the back. And it's weird that they make it look like there's nails holding up the papers. And there's some of the play functions on this. And here's some of the weapons you get. So then here's like the house inside. Here's the inside. So that's the box. Here's the two manuals. I'm not going to show anything in them. And so these are the two manuals. Here's the Screaming Kid of Doom. So those are the manuals. Here are the minifigures you get. You get Gandalf right here. So he doesn't have a second face if you didn't know that. And so he has printing. I'll take his beard off so you can see it. So that's the printing. He has a cape. And he looks pretty weird without the beard. I'll show you. So here's Gandalf without his beard in Lego. He looks pretty creepy. And then he has back printing right here. And he's a really cool figure. This is our second Gandalf. So that's Gandalf. Then we have Bilbo Baggins. I really like his torso right here because it's really cool and detailed on both sides. And he has a second face. One is happy and one is sad. So he has little short legs because he's a Hobbit figure. So that's him. Then we have Dwalin, the dwarf.
Balin.
No, this is Balin. So he has a short sword like this that the Hobbits have. And I really like the dark red on his cape and his torso. And this is a really cool beard piece. And there's his face and there's his other face. And I really like that Lego made all of the dwarfs not the same because it would just be weird if they made them all the same. And here's Dwalin. He's got tattoos on his head. He doesn't have a second face. He has a knife and a hammer, a big one. Then he has some back printing. Oh, I dropped the knife. So, and his cape has one hole, which is weird. So it only has one hole. And here's his back printing and his front printing. So that's really cool. So that's Dwalin. Then here's Bofur. He's really cool. He has a pickaxe. And so he has a second face. Some really cool printing on him. And he has, this is rubber and it's a really cool headpiece. So, and it stays on really good. So that's Bofur. Then here's Bomber. And I like the fact that they actually made him fat because he's really fat in the movie. And I thought that was just a really good detail. And he has a sausage and a knife. He has a second face, and I don't like his printing. It's just not much detail. So, and he's bald on his head, right there. So that's all of your figures, and it does not come with this because I just got that for the minifigures. Okay, this is the front garden. Here's like a bucket with 2 carrots and an apple. 2 carrots and an apple. And that's cool. I don't know the flowers. And there's flowers, and it looks like they're growing carrots. Oh, and whenever you see like a wooden plank like this, it's a sticker. That's a sticker. This is a sticker. This is a sticker. This is a sticker. This is a sticker too. And there's a lot of stickers in this set. And it's good the door's printed because I would have hated to line these stickers up right. This is the door. I just took it off its hinges. So that's a really cool door. And then there's like a flower here, flower here, flower here. Ah, cherries fell off the table. Okay. And there's a lamp right here, a shrub right here. So, and the gate, it does open. You can open it forwards and backwards, which I prefer to open it forwards. And then here's the inside of it. It's pretty dark, but you can solve that problem by lifting off the roof. It's only held on by these 8 pegs. This bread does not want to stay on the table. Just keeps falling off. And here's an apple in a barrel. Bilbo Baggins' diary, if I can get this out. So that's Bilbo Baggins' diary. It's got stickers on both sides. It says BB right here. So it's Bilbo Baggins. Dang it. Oh, and you get a pretzel, 2 chicken legs, but we lost one. Cherries on the floor. I'll get that later. And then you have a treasure chest with a shovel. That's pretty weird, because why would a shovel be in a treasure chest? And then you have 3 maps right here. You have one of the Shire right here. We have one of Mirkwood, and you have one of, it doesn't really say, but I think it's Mordor. Okay, and you have some pots and pans over here. Just 1 pan and 2 pots. And you have like this ink bottle. And you have like this bottle right here and one right here. And a letter that I don't know what it says. It's hard to read. I don't know if it says anything. Then here's his sword Sting. 2 potions, which I thought was weird. And you have a fireplace right there. And a little place right here where it's like tiled. And there's a broom right here. And this is a really cool set. And this is the roof. And I hate the tree on top. It's just weird.